For the past 30 years, JIE has been a world leader in the design, development, and manufacture of the most robust, highest quality, and most cost-effective electromechanical drive components and complete drive systems for the most challenging applications. We offer excellence from expertise in all our activities. We are JIE, the total drive solution provider.
壳牌始创于1988年，我们坚持100年做好一台解释机，匠心打造智能行业百年企业，不忘初心，砥砺前行。我们将致力于过去的专业化、未来的智能化、服务的全球化。壳牌将成就更多幸福家庭。
JIE, by the numbers 30 years, 100 countries, 3,000 customers, 4,500,000 gear units, 10,950 days and nights of innovation. Excellence and expertise with a legacy of professionalism. Our factories offer the most efficient, high-precision production lines, flexible and specialized assembly coating lines, with the latest digital inspection equipment monitoring all manufacturing and production processes. The highly skilled artisan teams adhere strictly to the JIE ISO 9001-2004 certified technical standards, production standards, quality standards, and final acceptance inspection procedures for JIE products, ensuring the JIE perfection guarantee. Talent is our primary strategic resource and vital core competency. Our innovation platforms including the Provincial Enterprise Institute, the National Postdoctoral Program, the CNAS Certified Enterprise Research and Development Center all foster industry alliances in support of sustainable management through education, growth, planning, and innovation. The DNA of our Century Enterprise. Through our thoroughly tempered product design platforms, integrated product design, product image design, intelligent transmission, and solution design, all integrated to meet the personalized needs of our partners. All helical gears, helical bevel gears, and worm gears are designed and well-crafted with the spirit of craftsmen and the pride of artisans. To promote lean production and construct the intelligent factories of the future through economical value chain construction and optimal lean production schemes, including intelligent production lines, world-class intelligent information systems in this digital world, the intelligent plant demonstration, the intelligent product engineering demonstration, the intelligent service demonstration, all in support of our Century Enterprise. The future has come via the advent of large data, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, to set the course for the journey of realizing intelligent electromechanical design and manufacture with real-time diagnostics and monitoring of operations and maintenance required for our success in the coming 100 years. Measure the world by footsteps. Serve the world with great products. The Zhejiang brand, our Chinese gift to the world. JIE is registered and active in more than 100 countries and regions. JIE is recognized as a national high-tech enterprise with the famous China trademark and famous China mechanical industry brand. We are committed to acting globally and thinking locally. Local support, face-to-face interaction, one-on-one service with the most robust, highest quality professional products and service to partners across Europe, North America, South America, Asia Pacific, the Middle East, Africa, and all other corners of the world.
为好客户做好产品，建好团队，我们坚持为客户创造价值。面对中国制造2025，我们致力于智能工厂、智能产品、智能服务，壳牌为全球好客户做好产品。
One dream. Deliver happiness to our partners. 2 targets. Become the Century Enterprise. Establish the 100-year brand. 3 plans. Specialization in selected industries. Champions in focused industries with related products and double performance. Create the JIE 100 years. Deliver happiness to more partners and create a better tomorrow. We remain true to our founding aspirations and forge ahead.